Hello viewers, I hope you are doing alright. Welcome to the part 2 of undercarriages. Today's objective will be to learn about the retraction method, the steering of an aircraft, brakes and the tires of the aircraft. Let's start with the retraction. Now, an undercarriage would cause a lot of drag in flight, so in most aircraft it is retracted into the wings or the fuselage when it is not required. Retraction method can be folding or twisting or turning. I have shown in the picture in the slide. And we can use hydraulics, pneumatics or electrical system to retract or extend the undercarriages. An inadvertent undercarriage deployment at cruise speed would create a major hazard for the aircraft. And for this reason, the undercarriage legs must be locked in the retracted position throughout the flight. And this can be achieved using the locks. There are two types of locks, as you can see by the name of the locks. Up lock would lock the undercarriages in the retracted position, and down lock will lock the undercarriage in the extended position. And the shock struts are used as the main shock absorber, and side struts are used as for the side load. Steering can be achieved by turning the nose wheel for maneuvering the aircraft. A main gear can be turned to reduce the turning circle of the aircraft. And steering, there are three steering methods. Number one is the push-pull actuator, number two is rack and pinion, and number three is rotary actuators. If we talk about the brakes of an undercarriage, they are most effective when the wheels are turning, and when the brake pedal is applied, the hydraulic pressure through the actuating piston squeezes the rotor and the stator between the pressure and the thrust plate, and the friction between the two surfaces slows down and eventually stop the wheel from rotating. Here I have shown the picture of brake assembly. Tires of an aircraft should have life of several hundred landings before it is completely worn out, and it should be inflated up to 10 to 15 bars, usually 14 bars in commercial aircraft and higher in fighter jets. The tread disperses water to maintain good contact on wet surfaces. The two types of tires are radial type and cross-ply type. In radial tires, it contains a series of belts under the tread of the tire, whereas in cross-ply it has a number of layers of reinforcing fiber. That is it for today's lecture. To see more videos, please subscribe Rising Star. Thank you very much.